How to fix the Redbubble phone number verification problem. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Redbubble phone number verification problem. To help improve the artist experience and gain access to the marketplace, we need you to verify your phone number. To verify your mobile phone number, head over to the Edit Payment Details page in your account settings. Now select your country and enter your mobile phone number. Then click Send Code. Enter the code you receive in the SMS verification code field and click Submit. It can take up to 60 seconds to reach you. Next, double-check that the country selected is correct. Also, check that you entered the correct number. Only use numbers, free of any special characters. After that, ensure the number entered is a mobile phone number and click Send Code again. If you've been unsuccessful at receiving a code and now can't click Send Code, please try again later. If the code does not verify your number, then double-check that you entered the code correctly. Be sure your code isn't expired. It will be valid for 10 minutes and finally click Send Code again.